Question is given a square minus b square is equal to 4, ab is equal to 2. So here we have to find out the value of a plus b is equal to what? Let's see solution how we can find out the value of a plus b in this equation. Solution: a square minus b square is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Next one is ab is equal to 2. This is equation number 2, right? We have these two equations. So from equation 1 we can say a square minus b square is equal to 4. Now we have to take a square on both sides. So taking square on both sides, we will get here a square minus b square to the whole square is equal to 4 square, right? Now this is the formula of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we are applying that formula here in this form. So it will become a square, right? A square minus 2ab. So 2a square b square, because this is a and this is b, 2ab plus b square. B square is this one is equal to 4 square 16, right? Now a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus, here it will become b power 4 is equal to 16. Now a power 4 plus b power 4, a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 16 plus this one plus 2a square b square, right? Now a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 16 plus, here 2 times ab, this one ab whole square, we can write this way, a square b square, so 2ab whole square. Now a square plus a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 16 plus 2 times, now ab, value of ab is equal to 2 according to equation 2. It is given in question, right? So we can substitute that value. ab is equal to 2 whole square is equal to 16 plus 2 times 2 square is 4 is equal to, it will become here 16 plus 4 plus 2, 4 2s are 8, 16 plus 8. So we can say a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 16 plus 8 is equal to 24, right? So this is the value of a power 4 plus b power 4. We can say this is equation number 3. Value of a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 24. Now we know one formula, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is formula. Now here we can consider x is equal to a square, x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square, right? Now we have to substitute this value here, so we will get equal to x is equal to a square. So we can say a square plus b square whole square, right, is equal to, now x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is formula. So according to that formula we can say a square whole square, that is x square plus 2 times a square times b square plus b square whole square, right? Now a square plus b square to the whole power 2 is equal to a power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b power 4. Now is equal to, we can write a power 4 plus b power 4, this one a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square. Now is equal to a power 4 plus b power 4, value of a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 24 according to equation 4. We got this value, value of a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 24 in equation 3. We got this value. So we have to substitute that value here, 24 plus 2 times, we can write this one ab whole square, right? ab whole square is equal to 24 plus 2 times value of AB is equal to 2 from equation 2. It is already given in question. So AB is 2 whole square is equal to 24 plus 2 times 2 to the 4 is equal to 24 plus 4 to the 8. So it will become here is equal to 8 plus 4 2 and here 32. So we can say this is the value of a square plus b square to the whole power 2 is equal to 32. Now we have to find out the value of AB. So we can take here square root to remove this square. So taking square root on both sides, then we will get here a plus b, a square plus b square to the whole square, and we are taking square root is equal to square root of 32 plus minus square root of 32. Now this square is cancelled from square root, so we will get here a square plus b square is equal to plus minus square root of 32. Now a square plus b square is equal to plus minus now square root of 32. So this 32 we can write 4 4s are 16 2s are 32, right? Now a square plus b square is equal to plus minus now square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 4 is 2 square root of 2, this one. Now a square plus b square is equal to plus minus 2 2 is 4 square root of 2. This is the value of a square plus b square. So we can consider this is equation number 4. This is equation number 4. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is formula, right? Now a plus b whole square is equal to, we can write here a square plus b square, value of a square plus b square is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 2. So we can write this value here plus minus 4 square root of 2 plus 2 times AB. AB is 2, right? According to equation 2. So here a plus b whole square is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 2 plus 2 to the 4. Now this is the value of a plus b, right? A plus b whole square. So we can say here we got the two value of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to plus 4 square root of 2 plus 4, and here we can say a plus b whole square is equal to minus 4, this one, minus 4 square root of 2 plus 4. Now here a plus b whole square, this is greater than or equal to 0, right? This is greater than or equal to 0, and this value you can check here 4 square root of 2 plus 4. So this is also greater than or equal to 0. And here when we are checking this one, so a plus b whole square, this is also greater than equal to 0, but minus 4 square root of 2 plus 4, this is less than 0, right? This is not greater than 0, this is less than 0. So this is a negative solution, so therefore we can reject it. So it is rejected. We can neglect this one. Now we have positive value, that is a plus b whole square is equal to plus 4 square root of 2 plus 4 here. So we can say here a plus b whole square is equal to plus 4 square root of 2 plus 4, right? This is the value. Now we have to find out the value of a plus b. So we have to remove this square. So taking square root on both sides, then we will get here a plus b whole square root is equal to 4 square root of 2 plus 4 and plus minus square root of this one, right? Because we have to take square root on both sides. Now this square is cancelled from square root, so it will become a plus b is equal to plus minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 plus 4 square root of 2, 4 plus 4 square root of 2, right? Now a plus b is equal to, we can write here plus minus square root, we are taking 4 common here, so it will become 1 plus square root of 2, right? Now a plus b is equal to plus minus. Now here plus minus, this is square root of 4, so we can say square root of 4 times square root of 1 plus square root of 2. Now a plus b is equal to plus minus square root of 4 is 2 times 1 plus square root of 2, right? So here we got two value of a plus b. We can say here we got the two value of a plus b. First one is a plus b is equal to plus 2 times 1 plus square root of 2, and next one is a plus b is equal to minus 2 square root of 1 plus square root of 2. So in this way we got here two value of a plus b. First is positive and next one is negative, and this is the solution. Thank you.